Ever wanted to make your own stackable rings without the hassle of soldering? Well, let me show you how easy it really is. All you need is some 18 and 24 gauge wire, a few beads, and a little bit of time. First, let's measure your ring size. I'm a size 8, so I'm cutting about 3.5 inches of wire. I'm using these pliers for the job. Super simple. I'll link all the materials in the description in case you want to grab anything yourself. Now follow along, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Would you wear these rings? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.